Hi everyone, welcome back to News 47. So today I will be talking about why is Kerala reporting so many more COVID-19 cases rather than other Indian states. Eyes of many experts and non-experts alike are currently on Kerala as its COVID-19 case load has been increasing in increment far greater than any other Indian states. The average number of daily new cases reached a low of 11,000 around the last week of June 2021, and it has since been rising, albeit slowly, over the past 2 weeks. At the same time, the number of cases elsewhere in the country has been falling after a major second wave peak in the first week of May. The average daily new cases is currently at about 16,000, and Kerala currently accounts for the close to 35% of all active cases in the country. Needless to say, the dominant narrative in the public discourse is that Kerala has failed to contain its COVID 19 epidemic. It is important to understand that the number of reported infections on any day depends on the effectiveness of the surveillance through tracking, tracing, and testing. As there is a huge variability in these factors across different states, it would be unfair to make a straightforward comparison of reported cases in each state or that of Kerala against India. One way to assess the extent of infection spread in the population is to check for the presence of antibodies against the virus through seroprevalence survey. Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR has thus far performed 4 national-wide seroprevalence survey at different intervals over the course of the pandemic. The primary results from the fourth round of the survey, the latest, indicate that the seroprevalence for all India is 67.6 while that of Kerala is 42.7, a difference of 25 percentage point. In fact, one can see that the seroprevalence has consistently been far lower in Kerala compared to the national average over the 4 surveys. Since the survey sample included both vaccinated and unvaccinated persons, some of these antibody prevalence could be also attributed to vaccine induced antibodies. In fact, at the national level, the seroprevalence among the unvaccinated was estimated at 62.3% at the same time of the completion of the survey in May 2021. About 12% of the population at the national level and 20% population in Kerala had received at least single dose of vaccine. Unfortunately, the data on zero prevalence among unvaccinated persons alone is not available in the public domain for Kerala at the time of writing this. So that's all for today. If you like my video, stay connected with me for more such informative content.